Another day, another story. Chat GPT. Welcome to this tutorial video about Chat GPT, a powerful language model created by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. As a language model, Chat GPT is designed to respond to natural language input, providing human-like answers to a wide range of questions and inquiries. In this tutorial, we'll explore the capabilities of Chat GPT, including its ability to provide information on a variety of topics, generate creative writing, and engage in natural language conversations with users. We'll also discuss how Chat GPT works, its training data sources, and how it can be integrated into various applications and platforms. One of the most impressive features of Chat GPT is its ability to generate human-like writing, including poetry, stories, and even essays. With its vast knowledge base and sophisticated algorithms, Chat GPT can generate creative writing that is often difficult to distinguish from that of a human author. Another key feature of Chat GPT is its ability to engage in natural language conversations with users, providing intelligent responses to questions and inquiries. This makes Chat GPT an ideal tool for customer service, online support, and other applications where human-like interaction is desired. In addition to these features, Chat GPT can also be integrated into various applications and platforms, such as chatbots, voice assistants, and smart devices. By leveraging the power of Chat GPT, developers can create more intelligent and intuitive applications that are capable of understanding and responding to natural language input. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful language model that is changing the way we interact with technology. With its ability to generate human-like writing, engage in natural language conversations, and integrate into a wide range of applications and platforms, Chat GPT is revolutionizing the way we communicate and interact with the world around us. So why wait? Start exploring the possibilities of Chat GPT today and discover the endless potential of natural language technology.